Let's solve one previous question of graph theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2014 set 2 question number 3. The maximum number of edges in a bipartite graph on 12 vertices is dash. In bipartite graph there will be two set, total number of vertices equals to 12. So it can be 5, 7, 4, 8, 6, 6. In case of 4, 8, total number of edges will be 4 into 8, it's 32. In case of 5, 7, number of edges will be 5 into 7, it's 35. In case of 6 and 6, one side is 6 vertex, other side is 6 vertex, number of edges will be 6 into 6, it's 36. So maximum number of edges possible equals to 36. For this there is a formula that we can find 12 square divide 4. So 12 square is 144 divide 4. It's 36. So either you can divide 12 into two parts. One side will be set of vertices, other side will be other set of vertices, and you can multiply to find number of edges and we can check which one is the highest, or simply number of vertices square divide 4. So here answer is 36. This process is time consuming. You need to check every options. This one is easy. For this you should know the formula that it is n square divide 4 floor function. If you know this formula, you can easily find it. I already discussed bipartite graph during graph theory lecture. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.